Good morning, everyone. We are leaving Meteora currently, headed over to Litochoro, where we will be summiting Mount Olympus. We are hoping to make it where it's still as beautiful as it is currently. Clear blue skies. We have about a 6-hour round trip hike to head today, so super excited because adventures are awaiting. It takes about 2 hours to get there from Meteora with driving, but oh my goodness, I'm excited. This is really the highlight of my trip. Most people would think beaches would be the highlight of a trip, but for me it's hiking and free diving and just adventure.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Zembele tu kama wando, yeah, yeah. Mogolinda bananza, tamba nakushendo marite, yambalelele, tuka fura bambote. Mbazanda makolongote, shendano kipanda wele, nomitanda fiso bebe, yanda tanda nu bebe. Mbalawe, makubisa yombolele, tende panda loko bebe, kumbasa yara.
At the start of the hike, the parking lot of I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. The start of the hike to Mount Olympus. This is exciting. Use the restroom prior to starting the hike. This is where it is, usually where you see that WC. That means restroom. ¿Cómo te sientes en la montaña?
Bien espinado para arriba, pero bien por ahora.
I see. At the start of the mountain, there are lots of stairs. I recall seeing this on other YouTube videos. So pretty rocky. Just watch your step. But other than that, it's straight up. We're coming across a bridge. Wow, so beautiful.
Zembele tu kama wando, pizza mako de la yondo, rambale, oh malonda, oh de, yeah. Zembele tu kama wando, furale kama belebe, tuka nyamabe.
Kalimara. Good morning. Okay, this sign shows you Mt Litochoro, which is where the parking lot is, where all of the vehicles are for the hike. And to here is Spelio Agathos, the summit. See that? B4 trail. Yay, we're almost there. They carry food up to the refuges. So these horses are some really diligent workers. So sweet. I love you, horsies. I love you guys. We are at Refuge A, getting some break. This is Refuge A, where you could take a break, sleep. They have beds there. but we are just doing it in a day hike, so we're gonna head back down. It's a bit cloudy up here. We've already got some video footage. We're gonna get some more on our way down.
Nura panda samba, nisu bebe, anda randa, wala sese, kundo manda, samawe, rimalanda, tamba noki, furalele, bamba tete, rondo bebe, kumba shika, nando tete, nisu yamba, rungolele.
¿Qué siente, Waldo?
Bien, bien.
Muy bien.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. All right, so we are headed back down. It took us about 4 hours to ascend, and now we're descending. It should take about another 2 hours. Always going down is a lot faster, but it was so worth it. At the very end, we kind of got really exhausted because it's a huge stretch. You know, going up 4 hours, especially with elevation gains about 2,400 meters high. It's actually similar to a Japan's hike that we did, Mount Yakedake, but this is Mount Olympus. Oh, it's so beautiful. The scenery, it's like fairy tale. I love hiking.
Zembele tu kama wondo.
We did it. Okay.
Oh.
We made it. That was 4 hours up and 3 hours down. Yeah, 4:30. We started about 8:45 or 8:47ish. But we made it.
Zembele tu kama wondo, yeah, yeah. Mogolinda bananza, tamba nakushendo marite, yambalelele, tuka fura bambote.
Eduardo, ¿te gusta aquí? ¿Te gusta Litochoro?
Sí, me gusta bastante. Sí, es bastante bueno.
¿Qué te gusta más? ¿La montaña o aquí?
La montaña. La montaña es algo diferente, un desafío.
Ay, sí.
Tienen que tratarlo.
Muy bueno. Ese muy difícil. Good morning, everyone. It's about 8:17 here, Thursday, June 25th. We are headed to Lefkada now. We just left Litochoro. It was so beautiful, magical there. The mountain, Mount Olympus, was, oh my goodness, just breathtaking. We are currently headed to Lefkada, to the beaches. It's about a 5-hour drive